Welcome to another episode of Forked Up Cooking. This episode we're making creamy, delicious roasted tomato soup. What you want to start off with is the best varieties of tomatoes you can get at your local supermarket for whatever time of the year you're making this. Dice up some onions, put it in a sheet pan, and start off by drizzling some olive oil over everything, and of course don't forget applying salt. Next, you want to get your hands right into the mix and toss that all together. Don't be afraid of the olive oil, it's not going to hurt you. At this point, you're going to want to put all the vegetables in a preheated 450-degree oven. After about 30 to 40 minutes, you're going to pull your sheet pan out to some beautiful browned and delicious roasted vegetables. Get your favorite Dutch oven or heavy bottom pan and put all the vegetables and juice from the sheet pan inside. Grab your chicken stock and put about a quarter of the box in, and then pick up your immersion blender and start breaking up the tomatoes and the onions. As it starts to break up, feel free to add more chicken stock and continue to blend until you get the consistency you're looking for in your soup. Add your heavy cream and butter. Cook the rest of the way on your stove top to condense the flavors and enjoy the delicious roasted tomato soup.